Hey everyone, thinking about getting into a top business school and leveling up your career? Then you've probably heard of the GMAT, the Graduate Management Admission Test. I know the GMAT sounds a bit intimidating, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll walk you through what the GMAT is, why it matters, how to prepare, and some expert tips to help you crush it. Ready? Let's dive in. So what is GMAT and who should take it? GMAT is a standardized test designed for MBA and Business Masters admission worldwide. But unlike other exams, the GMAT isn't just about testing what you know, it's about testing how you think. If you're aiming for an MBA, Business Masters, or even specialized programs in finance and economics, especially in US, Canada, or Europe, then GMAT is your golden ticket. Plus, a high GMAT score can make you eligible for scholarships. Who doesn't love free money? GMAT structure and what's on the test. The GMAT is not your usual multi-choice test. It's an adaptive exam, meaning the difficulty level of the questions changes based on how well you are doing. Smart, right? Here's the breakdown of 3 sections you'll find in GMAT. First, quantitative reasoning. Tests your math and problem-solving skills. Don't worry, there is no calculus. This section has 21 questions and you will have 45 minutes to do them. Second, verbal reasoning focuses on grammar, reading comprehension, and logical reasoning. Watch out for trap answers. This section has 23 questions and again you will have 45 minutes to do them. The third section, data insights, challenges you to analyze data from charts, tables, and graphs. Because real business problems aren't just numbers or words, they're both. This section will contain 20 questions and you will have 45 minutes to complete them. The whole test lasts just under 2 hours and 15 minutes with one optional 10-minute break. And the total score ranges from 205 to 805. Understanding the format is the first step to mastering it. Now, how you should prepare for GMAT? Let's be real, GMAT is tough. But here's the good news. With the right strategy, you can crack it. Here's how. Start with the official GMAT material. These are the best resources because they reflect the real test. Master, data sufficiency, and critical reasoning. These are the unique GMAT question types that you can see as game changers. Time management is everything. Since the test adapts, you need to answer efficiently without getting stuck on tough questions. Mock tests are your best friends. Simulate real exam conditions to build confidence and identify weak spots. Think like a business leader. The GMAT isn't just about math or grammar, it's about solving problems logically and efficiently, just like in the real world. The key? Practice consistently and stay positive. You got this. Now, how to register for the GMAT? Signing up for GMAT is pretty easy. Just head to the GMAC website, create an account, and choose your test date and location. The GMAT cost is $275, but there are fee waivers for eligible candidates. And guess what? You can now take the GMAT online from the comfort of your home. No more test center stress. GMAT score validity. How long does it last? Your GMAT score is valid for 5 years. So you have plenty of time to apply to business schools. Plus, you can send your scores to 5 schools for free. So make sure you research and pick your dream programs wisely. Final thoughts. Let's ace it. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about the GMAT. It's just not a test. It's a stepping stone to an exciting future in business. So start early, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Every question you solve, every mock test you take brings you one step closer to your dream school. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. And hey, tag a friend who's also preparing for GMAT. Let's ace it together.